Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to repair the error server stumbled Windows Store. Chapter 1. Fix error server stumbled Windows Store from services. To start, open Services from the search box. Here you will locate the Windows Update service. You must double-click on the service. After that, in the Startup Type field, set the automatic option. Click OK. Chapter 2. Fix error server stumbled Windows Store changing time zone. To get started, click Start and select Settings. After that, click on Time and Language. In this section, change the time zone to one that adjusts to time. Chapter 3. Fix error server stumbled Windows Store using command. To start, in the search box, enter the command WS reset. Press Enter on the command. You are going to wait for the process to be carried out. You can see the Windows Store opens. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 4. Fix error server stumbled Windows Store changing DNS. To start, enter Network in the search box. Click on View Network Connections. Then right-click on your network and select Properties. Select the option to enable Internet Protocol version 4. Click on Properties. Now check the box. Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter the desired addresses. Click OK. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.